Hello guys, I am back with another video. First of all, I would like to thanks to you who is watching this video. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you something. This is my personal video. If I am speaking wrong, please forgive me. So today I will talk about a short story which one I have read on a Wikipedia. So let's start with the story. In a small village, there are two people living whose name was Alex and James. One day he went his school, and when he came back at school, when he came back at home, then he saw his grandfather are moving, and his grandfather asked to Alex and Jamie, how was your first class, and how is your new teacher? After that, James and Jamie told, yes, it was a very good and we have learned a new thing. After that, his grandfather asked, how was your new teacher? How can he teach you? After that, Alex said to grandfather, yes, ma'am, the teacher asked to everyone, how was your vacation? Then 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 everyone are saying a good place. Everyone are visited in a good place, but I did not visit in any good place. So I tell a lie and I said I have visited in a Paris. After that, his grandfather said to Alex, no need to tell a lie, always speak truth. After that, his grandfather said, okay, I will tell you a short story. So, in a short story, in a in a forest, one parrot, his name was Bakabak, and he was roaming in a forest, and after that he sit into a tree and he meet with parrot. After that, he Bakbak is always telling a lie and he is not speaking truth. And one day that time, Bakbak said to his friend, today I have visit in a good party and I eat a lot. I eat a good food and good fruit and I enjoy a lot. After that, a cork came at a tree and he said to Bakbak, no, I saw you in a morning, you are eating a red chili and you are telling a lie. I have taken a good food. After that, after the Bakbak shocked and he said, no, I will not give you any explanation. So I have some work to go. After that, the buck parrot moving, and when he saw there was a lion who is roaming into a forest. Then he said, I said to lion, I am a king of this forest and I am a richest person of this forest. And again he went to the deer and he said to deer, I am the king of this forest and I know how to run and how to fly in a good way. Then the deer was very shocked and he did not say anything. One day, one beautiful bird came and everyone are shocked. Then a parrot, then a cork said, you are looking beautiful. And after that, a rabbit also said, you are looking gorgeous. After that, that bird said to cork, thank you for compliment. And when they are talking to each other, then that time a Bakabak parrot came, and he saw that a beautiful bird saw to the Bakabak. Then when he saw, then the Bakabak said, "You do you know my name?" Then the Bakabak said, and beautiful bird said, "Yes, I know." Then when he was trying to say always he always breeding to his thought, and he always telling a lie, and he is making to understand. And he said, I won, I got the Nobel Prize of a beauty, and I am the king of this forest. I have much money to expend these things. When that beautiful birds trying to say, but still he's not explained due to his behavior. After that, the lion bark who were like that, but there was then a lion said to that beautiful birds, come back, come back. Then uh, then then the buck parrot said, what do you want to say? Then he said, I want to say you, I am uh, honor of this lion, and I am working with them. So he want to live with his house, and you can also go there and you will get the good foods and everything. But still he did not got due to of his lie. Then the parrot said to Bakabak, uh, cork said to the parrot, please, every time you speak truthfully, no need to give the tell a lie. After that, the story is said, the grandfather said to Alex, always speak truth. And Alex said to grandfather, yes, I learned my lesson. Now I will not tell a lie. When I will move, then I will always speak truth. Then his grandfather said, in a next vacation, it is the possibility to go Paris. Thank you. This is the story. Thank you for watching this video.